Hi everyone, this is Attorney Lilian and I am here today with your Tuesday tip. So today I want to talk to you about who U.S. citizens can file for. This topic is coming up again because I've had so many of my clients become citizens and have this question. They want to know, who can I file for and what is the process? So I thought I will do a video just talking about that. And if you have any questions, as always, put them in the comments. I do go back and look at those. If you're not, the last category of people that U.S. citizens can file for are their fiance. So if you have a fiance and you've seen each other within the last 2 years, and now you want to file for them to come to the U.S., but you're not getting married outside of the U.S. first, there's a fiance visa option available to you where you file for them as your fiance. They come in, you get married within 90 days of them coming in, and then you apply for a green card for them. So that is basically, that's the quick rundown of the fiance visa. And yes, you have to be a U.S. citizen to get a fiance visa. I've had people that are permanent residents come to me and they tell me, I have a fiance, I want to file for him or her to come to the U.S. How do I do that? And the answer, my first question is always, when do you qualify to become a citizen? Right? Because if you do not want to travel and get married, if that's not something you two are planning on doing anytime soon, then the next thing is, when are you becoming a U.S. citizen? Because you must be a U.S. citizen to file for a fiance. And the good thing about filing for a fiance is if your fiance has a child, the child can also come with your fiance at the same time instead of filing two separate applications. Okay, so getting married, bringing your fiance, bringing your wife, and then filing for the child, you can do it in one go with a fiance visa. Again, one thing to keep in mind is, right, immediate relatives of U.S. citizens. So that's the spouse, children that are under 21 and are married, and their parents of U.S. citizens. They are considered immediate relatives. That means that if, let's say, you have a child that's 19 and your 19-year-old child also has like a 2-year-old child of their own, when you file for them, because they're now considered an immediate relative of a U.S. citizen, the child that's 2 years old cannot just travel with the parent. Okay, you may need the parent will need to come to the U.S., get their green card, and then file for the child to come and join them. And that's something that's hard for people to really think about. Or if a U.S. citizen is filing for their parents and they also have siblings that are under 21, maybe they're 15, 16, they still need their parents, but the parents want to come to the U.S. It becomes a question of, okay, how do we make it work, right? Who are the children going to stay with? Because the U.S. citizen can file for the siblings, but it's going to take some time. Right now, it's taking almost 13 years. So it's something to keep in mind that if you're filing for your parents, they're considered immediate relatives, which means if they have children that are minors that they would like to come with them, unfortunately, they wouldn't be able to. They would need to come here, get their green card, and then file for the child and wait through that process for the child to get here. Okay, so that's something to keep in mind. But today, if you have any questions, go ahead and put them in the comments. And if you like this video, go ahead and share it. If you know someone who needs to hear this, go ahead and share the video with them. If you like what I'm talking about, like the video. And if you're watching in a place that you can subscribe and you do not want to miss any of my uploads, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And I am Lillian Chukura. I am the lawyer and owner of Lillylegal, where we help our clients get status for themselves and for their family using the U.S. immigration law system. Thank you. Bye.